So this is the old lift bridge, swing bridge, and there you can see the new REM crossing. Would have liked to have seen this old swing bridge moved into its old position and made into a footbridge. Would have been cool. Anyways, this crossing won't be so obtrusive once it's done, I guess. The way they shoehorned it in there, I guess they had to do it. There's no choice because that's such a narrow crossing. But it will look cool when you can see AMT trains, VIA trains, and on top there, an LRV train going by. It'd be cool.